Hello Ecom world, this is your man Ecom King Majid and I'm back again because I actually want to share with you like 10 winning products that you can sell today and get sales. I will show you why should people buy this product in this video, and I will also talk about how should you target on Facebook. As you know, like guys, Facebook has changed their strategy. Like they actually don't like short targeting nowadays. Facebook is loving broad targeting, so it means that you need to target people who are actually with a big audience like 2 millions 3 millions if you want to get good result, because Facebook is more advanced now and they knows like they know what type of people can buy your product, even though if you are targeting big audience. So it doesn't really matter, like you need to, as like targeting is the best way, like it's the best and important way to get sales through Facebook. So I will break it down what type of audience you can target for each of this product, and also I will show you why should people buy this product. And make sure to subscribe to my channel if you are new to my channel, and press that bell icon because this is really important. If you press that bell icon, you're never gonna miss any of my winning products. And I am the guy who is actually sharing a lot of tricks and methods to be successful in ecom, and I want to be 100% honest, and the most honest guys actually you see on YouTube, they are actually doing an amazing job. And this is why I think like it's better to be more honest with you guys and try to put some value on YouTube as well. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, stay with me, and I will actually help you with this. How can you be successful in this ecom business? So let's start with our first product, and we have like a mask in our first product list, and which is selling crazy nowadays. As viruses are affecting a lot of people nowadays, like corona and all these things. So this is a huge problem, and this product is solving this problem. As for viruses, it is expanding worldwide, affecting a lot of people, which is not good, and we all care about our life. So when you actually show people a problem and also show the solution of that problem with your product, that product definitely gonna sell more and more. So the thing is that they have like over 3 million views in this video, 6.6k likes, 3k shares, 3.7k comments, and as you can understand from this that they are definitely selling this product, because if you are not getting any sales, you should not scale this product to 3 million views. But a lot of you actually are confused, like why I don't really get sales when I try to market the same product that you are showing me. But even though I get sales from your products, but why I'm not profitable? The reason is that like your marketing strategy is not that good, your targeting is not that good, because targeting is the main part of running Facebook ad. But beside this also, you need to make sure your content is really good, because like it's all about a winning marketing, guys. Like if your marketing strategy, your content is really good, then definitely people are gonna buy this product. You can just sell anything with a good marketing, to be honest. But the problem is that after that, when people will understand that it was just it is not something I paid for or something, so it will actually be harmful for your long-term business. So for a long-term business, you need good ads and a good product also that owe the money that they pay. So for this product, you can target worldwide, and mostly most of the people are concerned about their life and all this. So I think like you should target this product worldwide and target mask or health issues, or some targeting audience related to health, so that you can actually get some good result. People who are concerned about their health and they will definitely try this product out, guys, because mask is going crazy nowadays because of coronavirus and all other viruses, guys. So let's move to our number 2 products. And our number 2 product, it's a product where this is every parent's dream. So the dream is that, like, as you can see, like, they have insane amount of views, guys. 3.2 million views, but they have like 27k likes in their post, 9.6k comments, 23k shares, which is crazy, guys. You can't really understand how much of a sales they are making. And this is a baby, these this plate is for baby, I think. Yeah, so the thing is that, like, why this product is selling so good is because when babies are eating, they waste a lot of food. When they actually can't really hold that their plate, like other young people. So the thing is that this is why this product is going viral and making a lot of sales, because like people love to purchase this product because they can offer this product to their baby and they can hold it, and after that their food will not be in the ground. So this is why Magic Baby Bowl, this bowl is selling insanely good. So I think that you should also try this product, and for actually trying this product you need to target baby and newborn or something like that. And also the thing is that you should definitely try to understand, you should use like Facebook affinity to find base targeted audience for your product. So they are selling it for 1996, but the product cost is less than $5, guys. So you can also sell this product for a good amount of money, and I do like their landing page, and they are getting insane amount of traffic, guys, which is crazy. And I highly recommend you to sell this product because this product solves a problem, guys. So make sure to make sure to market this product. And after that we have our third product, and let's see what we have in our third product list. And this is 6-in-1 multifunction opener. This opener is going crazy nowadays, guys. It's like you can open almost everything with this opener. It's 6-in-1 multifunction opener, and it has like 1.7 million views in just a month. So they are getting some insane amount of sales, like on traffic as well. 22k views, 2k comments, 7.7k shares, which is really good, guys. And if I go to their landing page, and here it is. So if I go to their landing page, so this is actually their landing page, and this looks like that, but they have scaled it so high that they have decreased their price. When it's for retargeting purpose, for other purpose, when you scale a product really high, and after that you reduce the price and retarget all these people, so you can sell it still for $24.99, and it doesn't really affect that much of conversion when you are actually conversion when you are actually starting off with your ad. So make sure to try this product. This is a great winning product, guys. I highly recommend this product to you to sell, and it will actually get some good amount of sales, to be honest. Let's move to our product number 4 and see what we have in the product number. This is a dye crystal glow jewelry mold. It's 83 pieces set, and it is also selling good. 2.5k likes in their pages, guys. And you can create product just like this with this glue, which is crazy. It looks really insane. Like they have used it for a phone, but you can create some other other stuffs as well with this with this product, like some pendant necklace as well. So crazy, guys. I also recommend you to sell this product. This product has a wow fact that people should love to purchase and create their handmade jewelries, handmade stuff, which is really amazing, guys. And people are already purchasing this product with big numbers. So yeah, highly recommended product. The crystal glow jewelry mold, 83 pieces set, so there will be different shape that you can use to create these type of things. So after that we have it was a number 4 products. We are going to move to number 5 product, and let's see what we have in the number 5 list. So our number 5 product is the butterfly ball cat toy. So this is the butterfly ball cat toy, and where you can see cat is playing with butterfly ball cat toy, and it has 3.2k likes and 500 shares and 677k views, and they have run ads on this product is about 2 months ago. So guys, yeah, highly recommend this product. And also now I'm gonna I'm gonna share with you some products that are actually not selling that much on Aliexpress, and that are a bit new product that you can start selling and make money with, guys, which is really amazing. So the number 1 product that we have is a body slimming massager, guys. This product is selling like crazy, to be honest. This is selling like just crazy. So you can sell this product for the product cost is $23. You can sell this product for like $70 or something. So you have a really big profit margin of like $50, which is really amazing, guys. And you can create a great video, and this product helps you to be slim when you massage these on your body. But I can't really show you all these things because this video is not actually working that much. But you can go and find a video editor to create video from this, and also from YouTube as well. There will be video available for this product. So I highly recommend selling this product. This is a really good winning product. It is an EMS body slimming massager, weight losing, anti-cellular fat burner, galvanic infrared ultrasonic wave therapy. So the thing is that EMS body slimming massager is the title of your product. So I highly recommend this product, and just give it a try, and I think that it will help you a lot to get some really good result. And after that we have removable cat sleeping bag sofas. So these sofas are really amazing and selling it is a new product, but it will sell really good. After a few days you will see the orders are increasing when all the drop shippers will try to sell this product. This is a new winning product, guys. I highly recommend selling this product. If you have a good ads, in this video you will find a really good ads. You can create a really amazing ad with that from this video, and after that you should do that. So after that we have shown you the number 7 product. So let's move over to number 8 products. So our number 8 product is a multifunction car super clean mud keyboard cleaning air conditioner vent magic soft sticky. So it's a sticky glow cleaner. It's a sticky glow cleaner. So with this cleaner you can clean easily what do you have this is really an amazing product, guys, to be honest. You can clean your car, you can clean whatever you want, and this glow will actually absorb all the dust of your keyboard or car. And this is why actually people love cleaning product, and this product solves a lot of problems, because traditional cleaner can't really clean your car or keyboard or phone or other stuffs like that, because here you will get small dust that your cleaner can't really wash or clean. So the thing is that you can you can definitely, like, this is a winning product, guys, and people are making money with this product. I highly recommend you to sell this product right now, and you can do some research on Facebook and try to understand what the product is. And this product is selling really well. This is an amazing product, guys. So this was our number 8 product, I think. So we have like number 9 product in our list. So this is the number 9 product. So this is Sown Pad drinking fountain, pad drinking fountain. So this product actually doesn't really have a lot of sales, but the best thing about this product that you can sell this product if you have a good content, and it's really easy to create a good content. So you may find a video on YouTube of this product, and there is a selling point. Why should people buy this product? Why should they buy this product? The reason of buying this product is, like, you need a selling point. The selling point is a lot of cats are getting hydrated each and every day because they don't really like still water in a bowl, and this is why they go to sink and try to drink water from them, but this is unhealthy for you, and also, like, it's not safe. It is dangerous for your cat as well. So this is the selling point. And beside this also there is a selling point, which is like this product, like each and every cat is getting hydrated each and every day. I mean, 3 out of 2 cats are getting hydrated because of that, like, because of they don't really like to drink water and from a steel bowl. So this product can help them to have something like sink where they will get some current water, and they can drink those water from there. So this is a really, and it keeps cats healthy, and they don't really get affected by any kind of disease. So this is why this product is really a good winning product, guys, and there is a selling point. And if you go to YouTube and all other sources, try to find a good video with good creative, you can sell this product quite easily, guys. So highly recommend to sell this product, and make sure you sell this product today. So after that we have like number 10 products, and let's see what are number 10 products. And before you do that, I want to tell you that you should subscribe to my channel, which is really important. I really appreciate that. Make sure to like this video, which is also important for me, guys. And this is a 4-in-1 iPhone AirPods. So it's a 4-in-1 charging station, and this product is selling like crazy. It's for Apple. If you have like a phone, I mean, you can charge up to two phones, an Apple Watch, and AirPod, and this product is selling like crazy. It will keep your home organized, and this is why people are loving this product, and they are willing to purchase this product for a long time. So it's an evergreen product, and you can sell this for a long time, and try to sell this for $39.99, which is good. I think for a product like this, it will actually change the game when it comes to like traditional charger, because like it has a wireless charging wireless charging feature, and also it has a wire charging feature as well, and Apple Watch and AirPods. Highly recommend this product. I think that you will get good amount of sales with some great video creatives. And after that, my next video, I'm gonna be talking about why your Facebook is not working, if it is not working properly, and how can you fix that. And I will show you some steps, like some good videos that people are making and getting some great amount of sales. So stay with my channel, support my channel, press that like button, subscribe to my channel, press that bell icon. I really appreciate that. So hope to see you again next time. Bye.